Good morning, everyone, and today I will talk about keeping skills soft, affecting training and parafields in a domain topic. Let's divide in. This is content page. We face a hidden risk in aviation automation dependence. Will automation increase safety? It can also lead to skill assurance. Pilots become more like system manager, which can cause their manual skill to face. This pose a risk when automation fails or is not available. Our research question focused on watch recruiting training infractions, especially restore and maintain manual flying skill and how to pilots specific crane training programs. We grading automation dependence. We aim to examining both training effectiveness and pilot precision. To study this, we will use methodology for the creative approach. We will assess 115 chemical pilots in simulator using failure training formats, measuring flight accuracy with pros time and error risk. For the creative approach, we will contact 45 to 60 minutes simulator interview to discuss confidence level, training kits, and real-world barriers. We anticipate some key flying performance data may show that simulator-based training with degraded adaptation is most effective. Real frequent soft help meeting skill feedback from pilot stature that correct training fails to predictable and lost to of splicing of real-world station and operational skill limit their practice. Understanding pilots' position is crucial. Pilots are operational experts and not just suggest in training. Their trust in training fosters better engagement and confiding their insight ensure that training is relevant, respected and retrained. Now let's translate our insight into action. Our outputs will include evidence-based training schedule and scenario design, clear assessment method, and strategy to overcome brain load. Menu predictors the impact of this work can help better the building process and practice, ultimately enhancing corporate resilience. Finally, I will talk about the conclusion and bigger picture. In conclusion, this effort is not similarly about training. It's about focusing on safety culture in aviation. We want to ensure that pilots remain the final safety needs, balancing their skill with technological advancements, which ultimately protects passengers through will prepare pilots. This is reference list. Then thank you.